welcome. Yeah, so we said in this video we're going to look at how to encrypt our passwords. Let's say we have received our password here, which is password. But in a database, it's not a good practice. It's not a good security practice to keep password as plain password, because if someone gets access, the database can easily know the password, and they are vulnerable. So we shall try to create a new variable here. We shall say hashing stroke encrypting. Yeah, so we shall use a method. Use function stroke method called MD5. That. So we shall create a new variable called password. We shall say it's equal to MD5. So MD5 takes a string which it will convert into a hash or an encrypted password. So we shall supply our password here so that it is encrypted and stored inside hashed password. Or you can again use password, because in PHP we have static typing. So it will be again set here. But having a different variable will make much sense. So here, instead of setting password, we shall save hashed password. So let me create one more account and see how it works. So I'll come here. Let's say this is Sebo Richard. First name. Second name is Kinto. First name. Kinto. Then I change emails to Seboa. Seboa at UgProHub.co.ug. That is the email. And at the same time, the email will be the username, and the password will be password. Now click register. See our password is being, our user is being created. And when I go back here to view the user, you should see the user with very nicely looking hashed password value. So that's how to encrypt your password. Let us meet in the next video where we shall see more functionalities, where we're going to look at how to clean, because this data comes from HTML forms when it's not being validated. So we'll look at how to validate data on the front end and also the back end. In these videos, that's what we are going to put our main focus on, validating data. So after validating data, we shall see how to prevent SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and the other malicious attacks on the internet. Let me show you the application itself. Later on, in other videos, we shall see how to create a login form, how to log in into your account, and how to create a session. Then in other preceding videos, we shall see other functionalities. Like after logging in, you will get a form where you can submit your complaint, and during that submitting your complaint, we shall look at how to retrieve the complaints you have sent, how to modify them, to delete them, how to edit them, so on and so forth. For now, thank you for watching. Let's meet up again.